Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making Alfredo chicken and shrimp stuffed garlic bread. So I know I haven't posted in a while, but I had things to do, so now I'm back. So I'm just seasoning the chicken. I'm using a chicken breast. I cut it into small pieces, added some seasoning, mixed it up, added some butter to the pan, adding the chicken in. I'm just gonna give it a stir and let that cook. Then I'm gonna put my noodles on. So I'm just gonna let the noodles boil. Once the chicken was done, I went ahead and put it on a plate. So I'm gonna be using these hero breads. I'm gonna use 2. I'm gonna cut it in half, and then I'm gonna open the middle up. By the way, this is my first time making this fettuccine shrimp and chicken stuffed garlic bread. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you show support by hitting that subscribe button. Okay, so once you cut the middle out, this is how it's supposed to look. And then I went ahead and got some foil, put the bread on it. Now I'm going to be adding some butter. So you want to make sure you put enough butter in each one. And then I'm going to be adding some garlic powder and some oregano. Now that that's done, I'm going to put it in the oven for about 5 minutes. Now I'm just going to be adding my shrimp into the pan. I'm just adding some seasoning, some adobo, garlic powder, black pepper, and obey. Now that the shrimp is done, I'm going to start making the sauce. So I'm using heavy cream, some Parmesan cheese. So I'm adding the heavy cream into the pan. I'm going to add seasonings. Once it gets thick, I'm going to be adding the Parmesan cheese in. So now that the sauce is done, I went ahead and poured the sauce in the noodles. Now I'm just going to mix that up really well. Wow, this is smelling good and looking good so far. Now that it's done, I'm going to be adding noodles in the middle of each bread. Then I'm going to be adding some chicken and the shrimp on top. Oh my god, y'all, this looks so good. I can't wait to try it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.